Okay, welcome to this particular video lecture number 11. We are gradually coming to the end of this video series, and in this video we are going to be talking about how to create a parapet before our roof. Right, so let's head on to our project. This is our project right here. This is what we have done so far, and this is looking beautiful. So we're going to create a parapet and then we're going to create a roof, right? So how do you create a parapet? You simply go over to your first floor level, right? So go to architecture here and then go to components. Click on this drop down here and click on model in place. Click on casework, click on OK. Now let's rename the casework to parapet. Right, so click on sweep, click on sketch path. Right, so we're going to sketch the part where the parapet would rest on, and of course it's going to be the four corners, the whole sides of the building. So I'm going to use my line and sketch the part of the parapet. Just sketch the external wall, right, the external wall. Of course, this is our balcony, so our parapet and roof is meant to cover it. Right? Okay, I think this should end here. Rather. Yes. So take it from here. And then remember what we have here is a small right? Am I correct? Okay, this place is supposed to be covered. This place is supposed to be covered. So it's supposed to be covered all through. So take it and then this is to be covered as well. Right, this is to be covered as well. Perfect. So after doing that, you simply click on OK, then click on edit profile, click on open view. So we are going to edit the profile because we're on our first floor. That is why we are asked to draw the profile here. So after we finish it, we can just move it up to the parapet level. So how do we draw the profile? I'll remain on lines. I want my parapet height to be 600 and my parapet width to be 600, and I want 100 here, 100 here, 100 here, escape, and I want 100 here, 100 here, and then I want an arc. So I'll just take an arc and click on the next one, and then you can say I can make the arc anyhow I want it to be. So I just want it to be like this. So you can create any profile for your parapets, right? So after creating the profile, you can change the material of the parapet by clicking on this by category and clicking on this small icon here. So I can create a new material for the parapet and I can rename it to parapet, and I can click on this icon here to open the material library, go to appearance library, and then I want concrete, so I can select any concrete material. Just select that and click on OK. Right, so after selecting the material, I can simply click on OK. Perfect. And then click on OK again. So the parapet is going to be created. So I'll just simply move it up. Select this point, move it up to the parapet level. Click anywhere here, click on finish model, and then let's look at it in 3D. this is okay. So my roof is going to cover this my lounge. Let's make it cover the lounge, right? So we can just have a straight column coming from ground floor straight to up, so that the column can hold this parapet, right? We can have a straight column there, and probably here, maybe we can have another column there, then we can have one column here as well. So yes, I think that would be good. So we are going to create the columns later after we have created the roof. So this is how you can create a parapet. You can see how the parapet profile looks. So you can of course create any profile you want depending on your tastes, right? So this is the parapet. So in the next video we are going to create roof, right? Yes, so thank you.